Marriage is a promise of hope between two people who love each other, to share their love and their friendship, and to offer help and comfort in times of joy, but also in times of sorrow. Marriage requires closeness and distance. Closeness for a couple to grow together, and yet enough distance to allow each of them to be an individual.
To my groom, Mark, today I vow to love you, to be yours forever. I've dreamt of this day for as long as I can remember, and I feel so incredibly lucky that you're the person that I'm sharing it with. I truly believe that you were chosen just for me.
I promise to respect and cherish you.
I promise to respect and cherish you. Ellie, with this ring,
I join my life with yours.
I join my life with yours.
All that I am, I give to you.
All that I am, I give to you.
And all that I have, I share with you.
And all that I have, I share with you.
With this ring,
I join my life with yours.
join my life with yours.
All that I am, I give to you.
All that I am, I give to you.
And all that I have, I share with you.
All that I have, I share with you.
So therefore, there's nothing else for me to say other than congratulations, the two of you. You're now husband and wife. Should we give them a big round of applause, everyone? Do you want to share a kiss?
I'm so happy I get to marry my best friend. We've had the most amazing journey so far, and I can't wait to make more amazing memories with you. You've always been there for me through my darkest days, and without you, things would have been harder. So thank you for always being by my side.
Take my hand and I'll take yours. You're everything I've been searching for. Together we can spin around.
The newlyweds, Mr. and Mrs. Weber.
I know it's a big journey for a lot of you to come, so it's very much appreciated. And finally, I said it was a short speech, didn't I? I want to be the first to propose a toast to the new Mr. and Mrs. Webber. So if you'd all like to raise a glass. So, to Mark and Ellie. Thank you.
Mum and Dad. Now I'm pretty sure everyone in this room would like to thank you for producing such an incredible son. Yeah. You have both put up with so much over the years, but I hope from here and up there, you're both very proud that you've raised such an intelligent, funny, handsome, and most of all, modest son. And you're crying.
Love can be so simple, leave you shining like gold. Together we're better, you and I. Forever, whenever, just close your eyes.
I was sat there today, and I don't know if anyone else noticed it, but on top of the altar, the robin appeared. And it wasn't there for very long, and it just went. And I just instantly, that to me was Dad. And that was him saying, I'm here.